Good morning, everyone. Today's Sunday, February 23rd, and I'm going to do the much anticipated flip through of this traveler's notebook that I write sermon notes and prayer journaling and such in. So that's what this is. You might see some torn pieces of our church bulletin that are in here, and that's just covering up some of the more personal stuff. But of course, it's all pretty personal, so just don't be nosy. How about that? Look at the pretty collage and don't worry about what the writing is. But it's a really quick video today, and I just hope you guys are able to kind of see my more of how everything kind of flows cohesively and make it a better idea than just what I show on my Instagram. So I love collaging and writing all over it. So I got a couple pages here to finish up, and then I'm on to my next one. So I'll see you guys in the next video.